In our WooCommerce demonstration store, we will add some items to the cart and place the order. In the admin side of our demo store, we can see the order we have just placed has been marked as processing. In BPA Platform, we can see the WooCommerce tasks. The control task initiates the sequence of tasks. Now that the tasks have completed, we can open Sage 200 and can now see the new order has appeared. If we open the order, we can see all the information from WooCommerce has been carried across. With the order highlighted, we will click Dispatch. BPA Platform will now take the order from the staging database to WooCommerce. We can see our order status has gone from processing to completed.